In this video, an Italian grandma will show us how to make the traditional trippa alla Romana.
Oggi facciamo la trippa alla romana.
Let grandma know you like her recipe by liking and subscribing. Let's gather our ingredients.
Per la trippa alla romana usiamo peperoncino, cipolla, sedano, carota, menta, tanta menta, pomodoro, olio, del vino bianco e pepe. A pecorino per fine cottura e sale e 4 pasta, ok?
Grandma is using 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds of beef tripe. She's using parts from each of the 3 edible stomachs of the cow. She's already boiled the tripe for about 15 minutes in salty water and a few aromatics, an onion, a carrot, and some celery. Grandma explains that each part of the stomach has its own unique texture and flavor. She points out that this particular piece has the texture of a sea sponge, while this piece is called 100 skins in Italian due to its appearance.
E ognuna di queste ha un sapore e una consistenza diversa. Questa sembra un nido d'api.
Grandma says this one's pretty cool looking, and this one resembles lace.
L'alveare, no? Questa è la trippa, quindi è buonissima.
With the tripe cut into slices, it's time to move on to the aromatics. We need 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Here Grandma says that the onions always make her cry. And indeed, this is a strong one.
Ma perché? La cipolla mi emoziona sempre.
1 stalk of celery, finely chopped, and a half of a carrot, finely chopped. And finally, the tiny chili peppers, just picked from the garden.
Cipolla, sedano e carota.
Grandma points out that tripe is an extremely healthy food, high in protein and low in fat. In ancient Rome, it was a prime source of nutrition for the poor. A pinch of salt. And when the onions have started to turn translucent, it's time to add the tripe. Grandma tosses the beef tripe with the vegetables for a couple of minutes. She adds black pepper to taste. Here Grandma recounts an old Italian proverb that says that people enjoy gnocchi on Thursday, trippa on Saturday, and baccalà with chickpeas on Friday. And indeed, families of the past did it just this way. A half a cup of dry white wine. Now we'll cook our beef tripe until the wine has reduced. When the wine is reduced, Grandma adds 800 grams of crushed tomato. She gives it a stir and adds a generous amount of water to assist us with the 2-hour cook time ahead. This was about 1.5 cups of water. Bring the trippa alla Romana to a boil and add a handful of fresh mint.
Allora si metterà. No, io ce lo metto però.
1 more pinch of salt.
Basta per il pomodoro che abbiamo messo.
Then we cover, reduce the heat, and cook this Roman style beef tripe on the low heat for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, our trippa alla Romana is ready for the final ingredient. She turns off the heat and adds the final ingredient, 3 to 4 tablespoons of pecorino romano.
E dopo, quando si serve, ognuno lo rimetterà nel suo piatto.
Trippa alla Romana is traditionally served with plenty of bread to make a fantastic scarpetta. E buon appetito! Subscribe below for more recipes like this from Italy and beyond.